Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is an image. It contains a text code and other elements like this rectangle and other elements like this black rectangle. So I want to remove the text in the rectangle from the image and leave it as a plain image. So the tool we are going to use for this is Canva. So before we even launch Canva, click on this file info button. Then take note of the size of the image. So it is 1080 by 1080. This is in pixels. So take note of the size. So after that, open Canva. Then click on custom size. Then enter the size of the image. So 1080 by 1080. Then click on create new design. Once you do that, click on uploads. Then click on upload files. So we are going to upload the image we want to remove the text from. So this is the image. I'm going to click on it, then click on open. Alright, our image has been uploaded. So what you are going to do is just drag and drop it on the canvas. Right click on the image and select set image as background. So the image is now the background of the design or of the canvas. To remove the text, we are going to use a new feature in Canva called Canva Magic Studio. I've created a full guide on how to use it. I'll leave a link in the video description. Also, you need to have Canva Pro in order to achieve this. Fortunately, I've also created a guide on how to get Canva Pro for free lifetime. In fact, this is what I'm currently using. But the idea is I'll show you how to get into Canva themes. It is a legit way of getting access to Canva Pro features. So for now, let's watch this video. So to remove the text, simply click on the image, then click on edit photo. Now, if you only want to remove the text, then we are going to use this feature called grab text. However, if you want to remove the rectangle or any other object other than text, then we are going to also use a feature called magic grab. So since we want to remove everything from this image, we are going to use these two features. So what we'll do is click on grab text. And within a few seconds, Canva has grabbed the text. So you can see, you can move it around. You can even change the content of the text. You can change it, but we want to remove it. So what we are going to do is simply select and click on delete. Also, this text has also been grabbed. So click on it, then click on delete. So we have achieved the first step. That is, we've been able to remove the text from the image. Now, we want to remove this rectangle. So to do that, simply click on the image again, then click on edit photo. Then we are going to use this feature called magic grab. So what this feature does is it will grab any element on the background. So once you click on it, as you can see, it has grabbed the rectangle. So you can move it around. If you don't like it, you can simply delete it. And that's what we want to achieve. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.